Mainly you can see the changes that are happening with more rainfall and increased temperatures and how the trees are responding to that.
U.S. Senator Chris Van Hollen, a Democrat from Maryland, toured the Smithsonian Environmental Research Center, or SERC as it's better known, in Edgewater on Tuesday. Leading that tour was Hines, SERC's director, who gave the senator a lesson on not just the work that's being done at the facility, but its importance locally and globally. Some tour highlights included the National Ecological Observatory Network, Smithsonian Forest Global Earth Observatories, the Reforestation Experimental Network, a 10-year experiment on the effects of tree species diversity on forest ecosystem services, and the Global Change Research Wetland, which examines climate change effect on salt marshes, a 32-year experiment. With Van Hollen serving on the Senate Appropriations as well as Budget and Environment Committees, Hines was clear about SERC's need for continued funding, and that message was received loud and clear by the senator. You just heard the money's critical.
Yes.
You're taking that back to Washington?
Yes, I am. I mean, if you look at the budget proposals from the Trump administration, in many areas they've dramatically cut support for efforts at NOAA and some other federal agencies. The good news is with respect to this particular institution, they did not make a significant cut. I will say the House of Representatives' proposal on the budget is actually a little better than the administration, so hopefully we'll follow that lead. We need to make sure we make the investments that are necessary in a place like this. Well, we're having, as you know, a debate in Congress on climate change and what we should be doing to prevent greater release of carbon into the atmosphere and also try to absorb more carbon from the atmosphere. And so these experiments are crucial to understanding the science of climate change, but also what policies can best address it. So I look forward to getting the results of the research. And obviously there are lots of studies that have been ongoing nationally, but looking at the contribution that the center has been making to that effort.
Now is sea level rise increasing so fast that it's going to drown the marsh and the marsh.
Donna Cole, WNAV News.